How to download data from Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download data from Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So downloading data from your Instagram is really easy. So yeah, just first open up your Instagram, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you do that, head over to your profile on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right. And after you're on settings and activity, head over to accounts center. After you head over to meta account center, you will be on this page. Now here you will need to scroll down and under account settings, you will find your information and personal details. I mean permissions. So head over there and right here you will see different options for your information. That is how you can access your information, you can download your information, or you can transfer a copy of your information. So head over to download your information, and after you're here you will simply need to download or transfer information. Tap on this, choose your account if you have connected to your Facebook too, and tap on next. Here if you want to get all of your information, just tap on all available information or simply tap on some of your information and select which information that you want. So you'll see different options. You can just choose whatever you would like, and after you do that you can just tap on next and you can either download it to a device or transfer it to a destination. So downloading it to a device, it is a lot easier. Now you can even choose your date or a duration, so do that and then tap on create files and they will have you let you download your files after 4 days only. I mean, you'll only be able to download your files within the 4 days. So when you get the download, make sure that you download it. And then, yeah, that is basically how you get the data from Instagram. So it might take some time to actually create the files to download. So just wait for it and come back around right here. So let me go back here. So come back over right here and you should be able to find all of your data. So as you can see right here, I have previously requested the data myself as well. And yeah, that is how you can download your information. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.